Have you ever felt stressed the instant you walk inside your doorway? Let's take a look at your Feng Shui and a few other ideas. When you come home from a busy day, it could have been stressful. What do you see when you walk into your home? Is it clean, neat, and tidy? Are there shoes thrown about, coats, clothes, boxes, the mail? Or have you just thrown everything down and plopped it and walked to the next room? The best thing to do is keep your entranceway clean, neat, and tidy. If you take your shoes off, if you have them neat and they're out, that is okay. If you have a closet, that might even be better. Keep the clothes and coats hung up. It is a great idea to have good lighting and to make it look nice and feel good to you when you walk into your entrance. You want to make it feel like home, like it's loving, like your home is supportive to you. It is a great idea to have a safe place to put your keys, somewhere that they're not out in public view. Anything you can do to make this area of your home feel calming and relaxing will help you readjust from a stressful day to the home where you want to feel supportive, relaxed, and more calm. Your sanctuary. Change your first impression when you come home by tidying up that entrance area. This can help calm down your nervous system. The real cost of clutter also includes the physical impact. It increases cortisol, the stress hormone, and it can affect you emotionally. It can be a heavy weight that is a burden that could be causing more stress. It's quite interesting that if you have clutter, it is an emotional drag on your mind-body system because the eyes are taking it in. The subconscious knows it's there. It may have been there so long you don't even notice it, but it doesn't feel good. Clean up the clutter. Find a good home for things. And if things are sitting out, have them organized. Organization helps bring the mind and body system into a more relaxed state. And this is what you want in your home to relieve stress. There are more things you can do to help you feel more relaxed when you come into your home. Whether you do it right in your entranceway or you go to the next room, you could, 1, ring a bell. Ringing a bell can help reset the energy of your entranceway, of your home, and help you physically reset because sound is so powerful. You may want to listen to calming, relaxing music if you've been stressed out when you come home. I would recommend 432 Hertz or 528 Hertz music. Another great thing you can do to perk up the atmosphere and help yourself feel better is to use essential oils. Lavender is a good one. It is calming and relaxing. Orange can help perk up your mind, but can help you also feel better and bring more balance into your life. You can take the cap off and smell the essential oil. Orange, ooh, that's really quite nice. Or you could also use a diffuser essential oil. And here's something really easy that you can do. You can take and get a little spray bottle, put water in it, then put drops of essential oil. You might start with 5 or 10 and see how that works. Experiment. Then you shake it up and you spray it. This will help boost the smell in your home. Smell is actually directly linked to memory. If you want to relax, find a smell that you use to relax, and this will help activate the relaxation system in your body to help you feel more calm and peaceful at home. Doing these things can help you know that work is over, you're safe, and you are at your home, your castle, your sacred space. These are quick resets that you can do after you get your entranceway decluttered. Imagine if you walk into your home, everything feels so much better and feels more relaxing and peaceful for you. If you enjoyed this quick reset, you might want to look into my Happy Home Design video course. There are a lot of great Feng Shui tips, and you will learn things that are not in the books because it is classical Feng Shui. It takes you step by step to help you improve the harmony and balance and feel a flow and goodness in your home. If you would like to learn more, click the link below.